guys, how are you? Once again, I'm back with another burning issue in today's life, and that is the concept of long distance relationship. Yes, the long distance relationship. Even we might not be connecting with our long distance relatives, but we are connecting with the long distance relationships. We are maintaining it, we are making it, and we are actually enjoying it. Many people around us are enjoying these long distance relationships. It is just a phenomena created during this social lifestyle, and it is gaining popularity. Reason being, first of all, is that the person are not going to meet physically, so they are at pace, they are at peace. And especially for those who do not have time, who do not want to give presence to everybody, so the long distance relationship is kind of a midway coming up these days. And of course, these everything is coming online, so I think this is the new way of bringing the relationships online, or the online kind of relationships. So just I thought of sharing some points to you, as in the field of counseling. This is Rachna. Today I'll be sharing some tips with you so that you can be safe with these kind of things. I don't want to go deep into the positive aspect or into the negative aspect. Rather, I just want me to be neutral at this point when I'm sharing some things, some points with you. It is, I leave the things on to you, to my viewers. What do they think about it, and what is their experience, if they have experienced something in this field or in this era or in this kind of online relationship. If they have some experience, don't forget to write it in your comments so that others will also get benefit out of it. One should not have the benefit of doubts. Rather, let's dive into the, let's break the ice and find out what exactly it is. When we are connecting with the person online, first of all, question raises on the person of integrity and the authenticity. So though, instead of starting with the deep kind of things, just start the things with the, on a casual note, just sharing morning messages, or sharing very small light things which can make you happy, or any daily messages which you can share with any friend of yours. Slowly, gradually, you can build the relationships, and you can take to the next level. When it comes to the authenticity, don't forget to have video calls. Don't you forget to have video calls with the person. And instead of and must have the number of that person. That is very, also very important. That's very essential. Keep yourself safe from scams and other things. That's also very important. Now, how you can take this thing to the next level? You can date with your partner online. You can create rituals that you can celebrate any particular days on a particular time. If you are from different regions, or if you are from different countries, this is happening everywhere in the world. So you can create rituals, you can become good friends, you follow each other's values and beliefs. That's also very important. You follow each other culture, respect each other culture, share things, discuss things. But at this particular moment, don't forget to keep maintain those invisible lines, those invisible boundaries that are going to be the safe on the safer side of this thing. This is very crucial. We are talking about so many things we on social media, but when it comes to the actuality or genuine things, there are only handful of people who share about these things or talk about. So one must have courage to talk about these things, that okay, it's okay that if you get stuck somewhere, or if the relationship is not working, you can give it a pause any moment you feel like that. If you are not comfortable, or if you are not think that it can take a long way, you can just keep these things in the boundaries as well. There's no need to extend it. And not just it's going to happen on both sides, both ways. It's going to happen. So in whatever kind of relationships you are maintaining, the online friendship, online relationships, online dating, whatever you are going through, or whatever you are going to start, just think on those notes that keep those invisible boundaries and invisible lines so that you can be safe in the future. And definitely you're gonna enjoy it if you are going to follow these things which I have shared. So keep enjoy your relationship and also share your experiences, or if you want to ask something or if you want to share something in the comments below. Thank you. Bye bye. Good day.